Most people never learn this. But once you understand it, your money will work harder than you do. Here's how compound interest builds $100,000 from $1,000. Albert Einstein called this the eighth wonder of the world. Most people never learn it. But once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Here's why. Meet Alex. He's a 20-year-old college student who just got his first $1,000 bonus. Instead of spending it on a gaming rig or new car, he did something unusual. He invested it in the stock market. Then he forgot about it. Completely forgot. No additional investments. No checking the account. He just left it alone. Now, 30 years later, at age 50, he decides to check his investment account. He opens his phone, logs in, stares at the number. $100,000. He invested $1,000 once. The rest? The market created it for him. But how? The answer is something called compound interest. And it's genuinely the most powerful wealth-building tool humans have discovered. Here's the simple version. Money doesn't just grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. Let me show you why. Imagine Alex's $1,000 investment grows at 10% per year. Watch what happens. Year 1. He starts with $1,000. It grows 10%. So he earns $100. Total. $1,100. Year 2. Now here's the magic. His $1,100 grows 10%. Not 10% of the original $1,000. But 10% of $1,100. So he earns $110. Total. $1,210. Year 3. His $1,210 grows 10%. He earns $121. Total. $1,331. Notice what's happening. His earnings are growing. He earned $100 in year 1. $110 in year 2. $121 in year 3. Why? Because he's earning interest on his interest. Money is making more money. That's compound interest. Now here's where it gets crazy. Let's fast forward Alex's investment. After 10 years, about $2,600. After 20 years, about $6,700. After 30 years, about $17,400. After 40 years, about $45,000. Wait, let me say that again. $1,000 becomes $45,000 in 40 years. At 10% annual growth. But here's the really important part. Let's compare Alex to his friend Jordan. Jordan also gets $1,000 at age 20. But he waits. He thinks, I'll invest later when I have more money. By age 30, he finally invests. He also gets 10% annual growth. Let's see what happens. After 10 years of investing, about $2,600. After 20 years, about $6,700. By the time Jordan is 50, he has about $6,700. Alex? He has about $117,000. Same investment amount. Same growth rate. Same 20 years of investing. But Alex started 10 years earlier. He has 17 times more money. 17 times. Because of compound interest. Because of time. That's why Einstein called it a wonder. But here's what most people miss. Compound interest doesn't just work for you. It works against you too. If Alex borrowed $1,000 at 10% interest. Year 1. He owes $1,100. Year 2. He owes $1,210. Year 3. He owes $1,331. His debt compounds too. Growing faster and faster. If he never pays it back, in 10 years he owes about $2,600. In 30 years, about $17,000. Credit card debt works the same way. Car loans work the same way. Student loans work the same way. Compound interest is a double-edged sword. It can build your wealth if you're the lender. Or destroy it if you're the borrower. So here's what you should take away. Compound interest is the most powerful wealth-building tool humans have. But it only works if you do two things. First, you have to start early. Time is your biggest advantage. Not the amount you invest. Time. Second, you have to be disciplined. You have to invest consistently. You have to avoid debt. You have to let your money compound without interruption. Alex did both. He started at 20. He invested $1,000 and left it alone for 30 years. Most people do neither. They wait. They borrow. They interrupt their investments to spend. Then they wonder why they never build wealth. The answer was always there. In compound interest. If this video helped you understand money better, here's what I'd love. First, subscribe to this channel. New videos every week about money, investing, and building wealth. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Second, join our community on Discord. That's where we discuss these money concepts, answer questions, and share resources. The link is in the description. Tell me in the comments, at what age did you understand compound interest? Or if you didn't know before, what surprised you most about it?